Red-headed Stranger's got to jump off of barrel number 2. Can he get that track ahead? Yes, he can. Baker Hughes and Neil Walgenbaugh on the top side. Right beside him, out 2 wide, Devin Metzelig and that Valor Holmes wagon tucked in behind B.J. Carey. They are making a dynamite drive now as they're down into corner number 2 and heading down into the backstretch. Neil Walgenbaugh is hooked tonight. Look at those horses move. He's moving up with every stride. Coming in behind B.J. Carey now makes a move. A hard charging third. Devin Metzelig 2 wide, second out on the outside. High and outside might mean the slower way around the track. Look at Neil Walgenbaugh. Neil Walgenbaugh is running hard, and don't forget, he's got the hot-handed Little Pine. He was the first champion we ever had here. Throw a little fuel to the fire. He's burning rocket fuel this afternoon. Coming on home, Baker Hughes. Look at him go. The red-headed Stranger from Gadsby, Alberta. And look at the charge in behind as we're running hard for second and third. Neil Walgenbaugh.